Yo, what's up? This is Chef Ace Boogie tuning in on another episode of our cooking channel, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick, easy, and affordable lunch or maybe dinner. So the ingredients I used were some baby tomatoes, some bok choy, garlic, onion, carrots, and mushrooms. Some of it was just what I had in my fridge. Essentially, you could just use whatever veggies you want. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and get started. To start off, I'm going to get my pan piping hot, and as you can see, I got my water boiling here ready to go for our noodles, but I'm going to just wait a little bit for that. I'm going to pour some oil into a piping hot pan, just as you see. And then I'm going to slowly add the vegetables based on how long I want to cook them. You know, do I want the carrots softer? Do I want the onions a little bit more with a bite? Totally up to you, but for sure you want to start with some aromatics like your garlic, your onion, whatever it may be. Get that stirred around there. And to get your water going, you're going to want to put a little bit of salt and just a little bit of olive oil. Make sure they don't stick there. Now I'm going to start throwing everything in. I'm going to start with my garlic and my onions. Oops. Nice sizzle in there. Then I'm going to go around the plate. Going. I'm gonna throw the noodles in actually halfway through, and this definitely should cook in less than maybe 15-20 minutes. I was kind of inspired just because we've been eating a lot of meat, sheltering in place, and try to balance that out. So every now and then I try to think of a vegetarian dish, and what best than to kind of experiment and try your own thing, because you don't got to be the best cook or the best chef. I don't think I am at all, but I think just the passion to make food and to share food and these flavors, just treating them as like paints to a painter going onto a canvas, thinking about what tastes good, what someone might enjoy, what kind of flavors I'm going for. I think it's a perfect time for cooks of all stages to practice. Now I'm going to add the carrots in, and the mushroom. Oh shit! The mushroom, the carrots go in. I don't want the tomatoes to get too soft, so I'm going to wait to put those in later. So I got my carrots and my onions going here. I'm going to continue to toss. Now would be a good time for me to add a little salt and a little pepper. A little salt. A little pepper. My recipes definitely come with a lot of the same ingredients. I actually don't have a lot of cookware, so a lot of them come from the same pan or the same pot. And I love it, truly. You know, thinking of ancestry and the ingredients that they use, and the basic ingredients like garlic, onions, ginger, and all that stuff that came from the earth they lived on. So I definitely appreciate all my ingredients as I'm cooking, just understanding about how they gave people happiness and gave people a sense of home. And I love cooking different culture, and I love cooking different types of food. Obviously, I cook a lot of Filipino food, and that's what I specialize in, I would say. But I always think, why not, especially in this time where we're all sheltering in place, why not try something new, try a different recipe. If you have kids, you know, this recipe might be perfect for you. It's affordable, it's something you can bang out really quickly, and it's just very savory and very enjoyable. So get out there and cook. I hope to inspire everyone to hop in their kitchen and If it's learning how to cook an egg or learning how to cook whatever, just have fun with it and bring your own style, bring your own game to it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my bok choy. I'll throw that in there, nice and green. And after adding that, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my noodles in there. And this is definitely my first time making these noodles. I promise you, if they are not hella bomb, I would not post this video. So I'm gonna put these noodles in. I'm gonna give it about 5-7 minutes. It's 1 o'clock. And as that is going, I'm gonna get our veggies going here again too. Slow it down a little bit. Definitely going for a savory noodle, so some more seasoning, a little bit of pepper, and one thing I can't give you guys, and it's gonna probably be the same with a bunch of my videos, is exact measurements. My mom measured a lot of things. She had her cookbooks that I secretly read time to time. But me, with a lot of people, and even her, I kind of freestyle it. It sounds crazy, but there are certain things that I will break to a science, like if I'm cooking a steak, how long I want to be searing it and whatnot. But as far as this goes, I'm all about the boogie. Here we go. Got our tomatoes in. Now, punch this secret sauce in. I got the yakisoba sauce. Again, I'm just gonna eyeball it for savoriness. Okay with that. Okay. I'm gonna check on my noodles a little bit, make sure they're not getting too stuck to the pan. Very cool, very cool. Alright. Let's go. And I'm gonna turn down the fire a little bit, or since we got a flat right here, I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Just make sure I don't really burn everything, but I do want to get the sauce all cool up in there, kicking it with all its friends, you know. That is looking good. It smells hella good. Okay, I think we got something cool here. Alright, now I'm gonna go in and taste. Always very, very important to taste your food. I'll go with a carrot here and a bok choy. Wow. Add as much as you need. That tastes really good. That's a live reaction right there too. Okay, now we see our nudes and stuff are getting there. Okay, now as far as veggie goes, I'm gonna turn the heat off. I'm gonna leave it on the stove, keep it warm, and now we're just gonna wait for our noodles. Give them a good check. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm gonna wait until about 6 or 7, then I'm gonna strain them out. Then once I do all that, I am gonna mix this bad boy together, and let's boogie. I'll see you guys in a bit.